How to collect daily rewards in Fire Kirin app. Want to grab free coins every day? Let me show you how to collect your daily rewards in the Fire Kirin app. First, launch the app and log into your account. On the main screen, look for the daily bonus or gift box. That's where your reward are waiting. Tap it once and boom, you have collected your rewards. Remember, if say you log in, your bonus grows bigger, so don't miss a day if you want those sweet strict rewards. And that's it. That's how you collect daily rewards in Fire Kirin. Checking in every day to boost your coin and level up your game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Fire Kirin tips. Catch you in the next one.